like you said, fresh out from the federal and the penitentiary, really. You can't get a job, you can't get a good job, because you already got a background. You can't get good housing, they're gonna do background checks, a lot of people mess up. They say you want a second chance, but it's not a second chance. You gotta go jump through so many loops and hurdles to do anything. So that's why I kind of stuck with Rashad on this real estate, because I'm looking at, like I said, I was a drug dealer, made a lot of money. So I'm trying to see, and I was a numbers guy. I couldn't read, so I got in jail, but I can do numbers. So I looked at the numbers like, okay, I've been my own boss, basically, selling drugs the whole time. What can I do to make the same amount of money and stay out of trouble? So I took that, and when Rashad reached out to me, I reached out to him and seen what he was doing, I said, hey, that's a good deal. I like to work with my hands. I like to do building, you know what I'm saying? I can do all that. So I'm basically like, they labeled me as one of the worst, saying that I was one of the guys out of 32 guys tearing up Chattanooga. So now this is my chance to rebuild the city that they saying that I helped tear down. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I just put my whole head forward. And like he said, I read 3 books, and they were big books, like 500-600 page books. I read 3 books in 1 week. Just because I say when I was selling drugs, I would focus on selling drugs, get to the next field with my tunnel vision. So that's out. So this is what I'm trying to do now. This is my new drug. This is the new product. Flipping houses, developing. This is my new drug. So I'm with the same energy and the same hustle I had into tearing up the streets and selling drugs, I put it into this.